How to recover Gmail account without two-step verification. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser. After that, verify your identity. And then it will give you a form like this. And then go ahead and enter your email address. This and after that, tap on next. Now it will ask you to enter password. So what you will have to do is enter your password and then it will lead you to two-step verification. And after it reaches in this interface, what you will have to do is go to try another way. Now you will see several options over here, but if you cannot do any of these, what you will have to do is open your Chrome browser and then simply search for Google Recovery. And then it will lead you to this interface. Go over there, enter your account, and select next. Now enter your password again. Now go to try another way. After that, go to try another way to sign in again. Now go to more tips to recover. And then go to account recovery page. Enter your email again. Then select next. Then go to try another way again. Do this as long as you will get an option of entering your old password. And if you get that, simply go to enter your other password and it will send you a recovery email link within 72 hours and you will get to use that, and then your account will be recovered without having to use two-step verification. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.